What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a really sick day. Actually, this whole weekend is gonna be absolutely insane. We were reached out to by X Games and sent an invite, so we're going to the Ventura X Games 2024, and we're super stoked. Headed down right now to pick up our media pass, and what I wanted to do is just film the experience of going to X Games, what it's like to actually go to the X Games in person, right by Surfers Point at the beach in Ventura. It's going to be a beautiful weekend. There's going to be some awesome music, Wiz Khalifa, Cascade. So we're really excited. Got the 4Runner loaded up. Planning on just crashing out here, either up by Lake Casitas camping out, or just right in the Wavefront Surf Shop parking lot, because that's like front and center right around the corner. So we're super stoked. Headed to go pick up our pass. Let's go. X Games 2024, baby. Yoo! All right, well, we were able to park. Right on, thanks, brother. We were able to park at Wavefront Surf Shop. Perks of being a team rider, and yeah, just being good friends with everybody over there. But yeah, headed to the X Games, gonna go pick up our pass. Woo! Let's go.
Thousands of X Games fans like us on Facebook. Make sure you follow X Games. And hashtags. Don't forget hashtags. Hashtag
Let's go.
on all your platforms, whether I like it. Run 2, second final run, coming up here in just a few moments. So good luck to all the guys out there. But again, thank you very much, Ventura, for having us back. Second year out here in Ventura. Oh, there's that frontside flip. One of the best frontside flips in the game. So at 37 years old, DeCento is the most veteran, that's the way I'm going to put it, the most veteran skater out here, and it does not show. He is just killing it. Going down slide on the Jersey barrier out of British Columbia, Canada. Joining us right now, this is Women's BMX Park.
All right, well, that is super sick. We just popped out to go check on our truck over at Wavefront, but it's really rad. There's lots to do at the X Games, a couple of cool vehicles and shit. Yeah, can't wait to go back. There's gonna be some DJs and then lots of music and fun stuff to do, so we're stoked. Back to home base.
I mean, I would maybe check Ventura next door.
Let's see.
Beach house.
One of my old boards. Another one of my old boards. This thing looks sick.
We do have one pair.
Alright, so we're gonna go check out the other side of the fairgrounds. We got some dirt jumps over here, and all the motocross, Moto X stuff is over here, so let's go.
Welcome back to XGAMES Ventura 2024 presented by Summit. My name is Ed Wall. I am here with none other than the huge Bella Grab 900 right off the roll-in. Fuck yeah! And there's the stale fish revert into a switch melon 540 coming in backwards. Such a difficult trick.
You sexy motherfucker!
No easy trick either. Coming up and spinning all the way around frontside 360 is a tough thing to do. There's always a slight chance of over rotating.
Sick, they got like a little wake skate park set up right there. Little like 3 or 4 foot half pipe that you can skate. Anybody can sign up and skate that. And then these little BMX bike track. Looks pretty sick. Super fun. Lots to do with the X Games. Woo!
Shout out to the whole Peraza family, but I know having his wife and baby here is such a cool experience, coming into the X Games with that. So Kevin, we love you, but it's not up to us, it's up to the judges. At 36.33 for his score, so that's going to put him in that.
That's sick. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm headed back to X Games for day 2. Super stoked, a little tired. I don't know, so much stuff to do at the X Games, so much to watch, activities. It took me like good 2.5, 3 hours just to walk around the whole place and see everything. You can learn how to ride a one wheel. They have wake skate little pools set up. They have like a 3 or 4 foot little half pipe that you can sign a waiver and skate. There's live art. There's just tons of really cool stuff going on. So yeah, it's a great experience. Stoked to head back. We got Cascade tonight. and some of the finals and stuff, which I'm unable to film, but we're just gonna cruise around, hang out, try to get some more swag, and just enjoy the day. So let's go. Woo.
You're Ventura. You play such an important role cheering on a rider. That's why we've seen so many world firsts go down at X Games and the progression of the sport push forward. So you're more energy and but we're just so far as we close to our first day riders, and we're getting ready to re-rack.
And Nisha Houston! Make some noise, Ventura. When these guys land, we want to hear you going absolutely psycho. And DeCenzo dropping in to kick things off. Dropping in swift for the set.
Standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Sing that shit.
Without you, my friend,
Louder.
and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Y'all sound good.
Come a long way
Sing that shit.
from where we began.
Louder.
I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
All right, well, that's it. X Games 2024 Ventura was absolutely insane. So grateful we got the opportunity to go down there and share the experience with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet, and just super grateful. It was an awesome experience, probably one of the best extreme sporting experiences of my entire life. I'm gonna remember it forever. I really hope I get invited back next year, and it's in Ventura. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.